Hello, Namaskar. Welcome you to today's episode of StraightX. Yes, rare earth mineral corridors are important. Yes, they are strategic. Yes, they decide India's place in the global power chain. But here's is the uncomfortable question no one asks. Can India afford to think only about tomorrow when today is still struggling? Budget 2026 talks about rare earth mineral corridors, about EVs, semiconductors, defense, and future technology. This is about 2047 India. This is about strategic autonomy. But strategy without balance become elite economies, benefiting only industrialists faster than people. Well, this corridor secures supply chain, but does it secure livelihood today? India may soon be the third largest economy, but size is not the prosperity. Per capita income tells the harsh truth. When the growth is happening but not evenly, wealth is expanding but not deepening. A rare earth magnet may power an EV, but average Indian still powering life with tight budgets, EMIs, and uncertainty. A developed nation is not measured by mineral reserves alone, but how comfortably its citizens live today. Nearly half of India still depends on agriculture, yet agriculture often appears as a supporting chapter, not as a main entry. Yes, schemes exist, yes, productivity is discussed, but where is the income security? Where is the price stability? Where is the farmer purchasing power? A nation cannot build its futuristic corridor while its food production walk on the financial tightropes. Even reforms leans on the middle class, even transition taxes lean on the middle class, even slowdown is absorbed by the middle class. But the budget after budget, same question matters: where is the relief? High inflation, rising educational cost, healthcare expenses, housing, EMIs. The middle class is not asking for subsidies, it is asking for a breathing space. A strong middle class is not a welfare issue, it is a strategic economic growth engine. A truly balanced budget asks three questions together, not separately. First, can a strategic investment like rare earth corridors also creates mass employment? Second, can agricultural move from survival economy to income assurance? Third, can per capita income rise through wage growth, not just GDP growth? Well, the future industry must not grow parallel to the people, they must grow with them. Well, rare earth mineral will shape India's future power, but people will decide India's present stability. A Viksit Bharat is not built only in corridors of minerals and manufacturing, it is built in farms, homes, salaries, and saving accounts. But the real budget is not how advanced India will be at 2047. Here is the real question: how secure does an Indian feel today? Well, that's all from today's analysis. I will be back with another episode. Till then, just watch StraightX.